Welcome to all of you on this platform of the VAIR, and I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So today we are here for the video where a topic will be 20 most important questions for the TISSNET 2024. And this is your set 2. So first video has been already uploaded of the set 1 in which we have taken most important questions. I hope you have watched that video. If you haven't watched, then please go through that video also. And now we will go for the second set of the most important question for the TISS 24. So without saying anything, we will directly jump towards the question. Here are the questions on your slide. First question is here. Let's solve it. What are they saying in this first question? Two numbers are such that the ratio between them is a 3:5. If each is increased by 10, then the ratio between then the ratio becomes 5:7. Initial ratio is the 3x and 5x. Is it 3:5? If those are increased by 10, that means both are increased by 10, new ratio becomes 5/7. So they are asking you what is the difference between two numbers. Let's do the cross multiplication first. If you do the cross multiplication, you will get here 7 3s are 21x plus 70 is equal to 25x plus 50. 21 minus 25, that means this 4x is equal to 20. So value of x is equal to 5. So they are asking you what is the difference between these two numbers. Numbers were a and b. Difference is a 5x minus 3x means 2x. So difference will be equals to 2 5s are 10. So your answer difference will be equals to 10. That's it. Your answer will be option number D. Easier one. Now let's go for the second question. What are they saying in this second question? Let's read it. They are saying that Ajay and Vijay have some marbles with them. 10% of the marbles with Ajay equals to 30% of marbles with the Vijay. 10% of Ajay is equal to 30% of Vijay. Now, if you write down it, what we know that percent will get cancelled, or you can write here, but I know we can cancel it out easily, right? 30 by 100 into Vijay. 100 cancel, 0 cancel. A by B is equal to 3 by 1. The ratio of the Ajay and Vijay's marble will be equals to 3:1. Then what are they asking here? This says that if they have total 80 marbles, number of marble with the Ajay, total means Ajay plus Vijay, total will be 3x plus 1x. That means 4x is equal to 80. So you can say that value of x is equals to how much? 20. Then Vijay had 1 only. So Vijay will be equals to 1x. That means 20. So your answer will be equals to 20. If they had asked for the Ajay will be 3x means 320 into 3 into 20 will be 60. Ajay had 60 marble, Vijay had 20 marbles. That's it. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 3. What are they saying in this question number 3? Let's see. The ratio between the present ages of Sita and Geeta is 8:9. The sum of their ages is 16. Sita is to Geeta, 8:9. If you add this sum, what we get? 8 plus 9, 17. 17x is equal to 68. So 1x is equals to 4. Then they are asking you here, what will be respective ratio of their ages 10 years hence? If the x is equal to 4, that means present ages will be what? Present age of Sita is a 8x. That means 8 4s are 32. And Geeta is a 9x. That means 9 4s are 36. So after 10 years, what will be their ages? Plus 10 years, this will be 42 and Geeta will be 46. So the ratio will be what? 21:20. Ratio will become 21:23. Option number D is your answer. Easier one. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 4 is here. What are they saying in this question? The difference between 89% of a number and 72% of the same number is a 391. So 89% of x minus 72% of same number means X, which is given as a 391. So 89 minus 72 is what? 9 minus 2, 7. 17% of X is equal to 391. So 17 by 100 into X is equal to 391. 17 2s are 34. 5 is there. 17 3s are 51. So X will be equals to 23 into 100 will be 2300. Then what are they asking you here? They are saying that what is 48% of that number? So what will be the 48% now? 48% of X. That means 48 by 100 into 2300. So double zero cancelled. So what will be the sum now? 1104, because you can see 8 3s are 24 means unit digit is a 4 and there is only one option with 4. So of course your answer will be 110, or you can cross check it. 184 carries 1892 plus 18 will be 110. So your answer will be 1104, option number C. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 5 is here. What are they saying in this question number 5? The prices of rice and wheat are in the ratio 3:5 and the total cost of 5 kg rice and 10 kg wheat. So if you see the ratio of rice is to wheat, it is a 3:5. And they are saying that total cost of 5 kg rice and 10 kg wheat is a 520. So you can say that price of a rice per kg is a 3x and wheat is a 5x. So what will be the price of 5 kg rice? 5 kg rice, let me write it, plus 10 kg wheat is equals to what? 520 rupees. So let me add it. 5 kg, 1 kg is a 3x. So 5 kg will be 5 into 3x. 1 kg is a 5x. So 10 kg will be 10 into 5x, which is equal to 520. So this sum will be what? 15 plus 50. That means 65x is equal to 520. 13 5s are 13 4s are zeros are 5 1s are 5 8s are. That means value of x is equal to 8. So you can say that price of rice is a 8 3s are 24 rupees and price of wheat will be 8 5s are 40 rupees per kg. But what are they asking here? What is the cost of 12 kg rice? So 12 kg rice, I know that wheat price is a 40 rupees. Sorry, rice, right? For the rice. So what I know that rice price is a 24 rupees per kg. So you can say that 12 kg of rice will be equals to 12 into per kg price is a 24. So what will it becomes? 12 4s are 48, carries a 4, 24 plus 4 is a 20. So your answer will be equals to 288. Option number D is the answer. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 6 is here. The salaries of A, B, C are in the ratio 1:2:5 respectively. If the increment of 20%, 15% and 10% respectively are allowed in their salaries, what will be their new ratio? 1:5. You can simply do one thing for the percentage. You can assume this as 100, 200 and 500. Is it okay? Suppose their initial salary was 100. Why? I know that it has to increase by percentage. So if they are increasing as 20%, 15% and 10%. So if I add a 20% of 100, 20% of 100 is a 20 rupees. So 100 plus 20 new will be 120. Similarly, 15% of 200 will be 30 rupees. 200 plus 30 will be 230. And 10% of 500 is a 50 rupees. 500 plus 50 is a 550. So what is the new ratio? 12 is to 23 is to 55. So your answer will be 12, 23, 55. Option number A will be your answer. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 7. Let's read it. What are they saying in this question now? Anish spends 25% of its salary on house rent 5% on food, 15% on travel, and 10% on the clothes, and remaining amount is a 20,500. So, what is his salary? So, total spend is how much? He's spending how much? 25% plus 5% plus 15 plus 10. Sorry. So, we can say that what will it be? 15 plus 5, 20, 30, 55% he is spending. Sorry. If his total salary is 100%, out of which he is spending 55%, so we can say that its saving will be equals to how much? 45%. 100 minus 55. Because what I know that income is equals to spending plus expenditure. So his expenditure is a 55%. Saving is a 45%. 100 minus. So that is equals to given as a 20,500. So what will be the total salary means 100% is equals to what? We can simply see this is a 5 times, so 500. So question mark will be equal to 500 into 100 will be 50. So your answer will be equals to 50. That's it. Easier. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 8 is here. What are they saying in this one? Mr. Vimlesh gains 15% by selling his car for 20,700. How much would he lose or gain if he sells it for 19,800? I know that if my cost price is 100 rupees, then first he is selling at a 15% gain. That means his selling price will become what? 115. But this one is given as a 20,700. So they are asking you here, what will be his profit percentage if he is selling this as a 19,800? So what will be this term? We will simply do the cross multiplication. So by this cross multiplication, what we will get here? Question mark is equal to 115 into 198,000 divided by 207,000. So if we cancel out these two numbers, 00, if I do 99 twos are 9 twos are 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and this one will be 23 fives are 115. So 22 into 5 will be equals to what? 110 will be my selling price. If my cost price is 100 and selling price is 110, which means I am get that means that person get 10% of profit. So your answer will be equals to option number 8, 10% profit. Now let's go for the next question. A get together was attended by 40 gentlemen and 70 ladies. The average height of the gentleman was say 183, and the average height of the all the person was 169. Then find the average height in centimeter of ladies. So gentlemen are there, ladies are there, and I have to find out the average. I know average of all. So we can use the allegation here. So what I know that what is the height of the gentleman and ladies. Height of the gentleman is a 183. Ladies I have to find out it. And all average height is a 169. So they are asking here what is the average height of the ladies, and they are saying that how many ladies and gentlemen and ladies are there? 40 is to 70. That means we can say that this ratio is a 4:7. So this ratio should be 4:7. If you subtract this, what will you get? 183 minus 169. 70 plus means this is the 40. So I know that this ratio is the 4:7. If 7 is equals to 14, 14 है, so 4 will be equals to what? 7 को 14 करने के लिए 2 से multiply किया है, तो I will multiply by 2. That means this will be 8. So this one will be equals to 169 minus 8, because this was equal to 183 minus 169. Greater minus smaller. So smaller minus this will be more small than this. So 169 minus 8 will be equals to 161, and that will be your. So by using the allegation, we can solve it easily. Option number A is your answer. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 10 is here. Let's see what are they saying here. A vessel has 90 liter of pure milk. 9 liter of its content was withdrawn and replaced with water. This process was repeated once. Find the quantity of milk in the vessel at the end of this repetition. When I know that whenever we repeat this process, what is the formula? Final quantity is equals to initial quantity into 1 minus x by c raised to t, where x means the quantity which you are taking out, c is the capacity of the container, and t is the number of times you are repeating the process. So I have to find out the final quantity. Initial quantity was 9. You are taking a 9 liter out of 90 for 2 times. So what will it become? 9 into 1 by 10. Is it? So 1 minus 1 by 10 is a 9 by 10. 9 by 10 square is a 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So you can simply see 0, 0 cancelled, 9, 9, 9. Cube is a 729. Divide by 10 means 72.9 will be your answer. Easier. Option number A is your answer. Now let's go for the next question. What are they saying in this question now? The salary of A is 25% more than salary B. By what percent the salary of B is less than salary of A? For this, whenever this is that more than A, we have a formula A divided by 100 plus A. Means A is nothing but the given percentage. So here what is it? 25% more. So 25 divided by 100 plus 25. Means into 100, right? Into 100, because we have to find out into the percentage. So this one will become 25 upon 125 into 100. This ratio will be 25 ones are 25 5s are. So 1 by 5 is nothing but the 20% less will be your answer. So option number A is here. This is the shortest formula for this question, such questions. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 12 is here. What are they saying in this question number 12? In a class of total number of boys and girls is 81, which of the following can't be the ratio of boys is to girls? I know that total are 81. Option number A is a 1 is to 2. Option number B is a 5 is to 3. C is a 7 is to 2 and 20 is to 7. Out of this, which can be the ratio if this sum is 81? So I know that sum is 81 means this sum should be divisible by 81. If you add this 1 plus 2, 3x. That means 81 is divisible by 3. So of course this one will be the ratio. Similarly 5 plus 3, 8x. Is that 81 is divisible by 8? No. So this cannot be divisible by this one. If you add this 7 plus 2, 9x. If we know that 81 by 9x is a possible. Here 81 by 3 was the possible. Here 20 plus 7 is a 27x. That means 81 by 27 is a possible. So only option number B is not possible. So answer will be option number B, 5 is to C. Okay. For the sum, I know that. So I will add this sum. I will take this sum. This sum should be divisible by 81. That's it. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 13 is here. In what ratio two milk solution having 80% pure milk and 50% pure milk should be mixed such that resultant will be 68%. 80%, 50%. Resultant should be 68%. 80 minus 68 will be equals to what? 12. 68 minus 50 will be 18. So 18 is to 12 is nothing but the 6 3s are 6 2s are 3 is to 2 will be your answer. Option number B is here. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 14. What are they saying in this question number 14? The value of the 12th term in this series, where series is a -1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. So I know that for the first series they are taking a 1. For 2 they are taking minus 1, minus 2. For 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. For 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. So for 12, it will be equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to the 12th. What will be the 12th term? 12th term will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. So if I took a sign of minus common, I will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 up to the 12. So what is the sum of n natural number? These are the n natural number. So sum of n natural number is what? Sum of n natural number is a n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is a 12. So 12 into 12 plus 1 is a 13 divided by 2. But I know that minus sign I have taken as a common. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 13 6 are 78. So your answer will be minus 78 because I have taken this minus sign as a common. So your answer will be option number D, minus 78. Easier. Now let's go for the next question, question number 15. What are they saying in this question number 15? 6 bale commence tolling together and toll at interval of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? So, first of all, for such question, what I do, I find out the LCM. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If I divide all of them by 2, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I again divide by 2, 1, 1, 3 as it is 2, 5 as it is 3. Then if I divide by 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. Then 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. And then 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means what will be the LCM? LCM will be multiplication of all of this. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 into 4 will be 120 seconds. That means they will toll together after every 120 seconds. But they are asking you in a 30 minutes. So I will convert it. 120 seconds is nothing but the 2 minutes. Because I know that 60 seconds is a 1 minute. So after every 2 minutes, they will toll together. So in 30 minutes, how many times will they toll? In 30 minutes, they will together 30 by 2, that means 15 times. Is it? But answer is not 15. In 30 minutes, they will toll 15 times together. But at the initial, at the starting, at 0 seconds, they had told together. And then they are starting. So that initial one plus 1 of the initial. So plus 1 means total will be 16 times they will toll together. Getting this one, this concept, like suppose this is the total line. At the 0 second, they toll together all of them. Then after 2 minutes, again they are tolling together. Up to this 30 minutes, they will toll 15 times plus this one time. Up to this, they are tolling 15 times plus this initial one. So total is a 16 times will be your answer. Option number D. And they had asked this question in a test. Mostly we think like yes, 15 is the answer. But remember, answer will be 16 times. Okay. Now let's solve the next question. Question number 16 is here. 15 men can complete a job in a 20 days. They work for 10 days, after which 9 men left the job. In how many days will the remaining men complete the job? I know that if 15 men are working, then 20 days are enough. But the same work done by what? They work for 10 days. That means those 15 men into 10 days, right? Work is equals to what? Number of manpower into number of days. If hours are given, we take the hours also. So number of men are 15, days required 20. This was the total work. But what happens now? These number of men have worked for 10 days only. That means 15 men work for 10 days, and then after which 9 men left the job. Out of 15 men, right? M1 is equals to what? 15 and D1 was equals to 20. Out of 15, if 9 men left the job, what will be the remaining men? Remaining men will be 15 minus 9. Right now, these are the only main. So, how many days will require? Right? They are saying that in how many days will remaining work will be completed. So, how many days will require? So, you can see 15 twos are 30. 300 is equal to 150. 15 minus 9 is a 60. 300 minus 150 is a 150. So, number of days will require equals to what? 6 twos are 6. 5s are. That means 25. 6 are is a 130. So for the remaining work, 6 men will require 25 days to complete the remaining work. Option number A is your answer. Simply I am using work is equal to men into days. So work initially number of men was 20, days is a 20, 15 days are 20. So this should be the ideal. But what happened? 15 men work for 10 days and 9 men left. So they have completed only 150 work. Remaining work is there. Remaining work is the 150, for which there are only 6 persons. So 25 days will be required. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 17 is here. The mean of 100 values is a 45. If 15 is added to each of first 40 values and 5 is subtracted from each of the remaining 60 values, the new mean will becomes what? Total mean, total what will be the total sum? Initial I know that number of observations are 100 and average is a 45. Average means mean. So I can say that sum will be equals to what? 4500. Is it okay? Now what happened? In a first 40 terms, 15 is added. So we can say that in a first 40 terms each is getting added with the 15. So new sum will be equals to what? In that one, for the first 40, 15 is added. And what are they saying that? 5 is subtracted from the remaining 60. Subtracted means minus 5 into 60. So what is the difference in this new sum? 15 fours are 600. Minus 6 fives are 300. So you can say that for the new sum, 300 is added. So new sum will be equals to 4500 plus 300. Because whatever I am doing, I am changing these things. But this is the fix. In this 4500 plus this 40 terms into 15 minus this 5 into 60 terms. So new sum will become 4800 and n was equals to 100 only. So what will be the new average? They are asking you the new mean or new average will be equals to 4800 by 100. That means 48. So your answer will be equals to 48. Or you can simply see, we know that how much it is changing? 300. 300 is changing for the 100 people means it has been by 3. 45 plus 3 will be equals to 48. So your answer will be option number easier. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 18. Set A is a collection of first 10 whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? Which are starting from the 0. So we can say that set A will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 because there are 10 numbers only. And set B is a collection of first 10 natural numbers. Which are the natural numbers? Which starts from the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 10 natural numbers. Then they are saying that how many numbers are common in both of these sets. Which are, how many numbers are not common in both these sets. Which numbers are not common? We can see, because 1 to 9 is a common one, right? You can see 1 to 9, 1 to 9. This is a common one. So which are not common? Not common are 0 and 10. So how many numbers are not common? 2. So your answer will be 2. So option number B is the answer. Most important question as the TISSNET exam point of view. So 2 will be the answer. I hope you understood. Now let's go for the Next question, question number 19 is here. What are they saying in this question number 19? The canteen sells 4 types of the chocolates A, B, C, D. A cost rupees 10, B cost rupees 5, C cost rupees 8, and D cost rupees 11. I have rupees 100 with me to spend if I buy 4 chocolates of type D and 5 chocolates of type C. Then how many chocolates of type A and B I can buy, so that I use the maximum of 100, that I total 100 rupees I have to use. How much I have spent? I have taken 4 chocolates of D type. 4 chocolates of D type means 44 rupees I have already spent, plus 5 chocolates of type C. 5 chocolates means 8 fives are 40 rupees. Means how much I have spent? I have spent 44 plus 40 means 84 rupees. Out of 100, 84 has been spent, which means 16 rupees remaining. So how can I spend 16 rupees on type A and type B? Suppose if I take a type B for the option. If you see three of the types B. If I took 3 of the type B, 5 3s are 15 will be there. So for the A, I will have only 1 rupees because I have only 16 rupees. So option number A is not possible. Option number B is a 2 type of B and 1 type of A. If I took, you can see all options is that 1 type of A. So if I took a 1 type of A, that means 10 rupees already been spent. So out of 16, 10 is for the type number A. I have only 6 rupees. In that 6 rupees, I can take only 1 chocolate of the type number B. So obviously 1 of type A and 1 of type B will be the answer. I can buy only one chocolates of both of the types. That is option number C will be your answer. This was the logical question. Repeated question from the TISS paper. Most important question. So I hope you have understood this question. Okay. Now let's go for the last question of this video. So what are they saying in this last question? If number A is 0.99 raised to 2 into 0.99 raised to 3 and number B is a 0.99 raised to 6. A is a 0.99 raised to 2 into 0.99 raised to 3 and B is a 0.99 raised to 6. Then which number is a bigger? Now we know that whenever 0.99 raised to 2, 0.99 raised to 3 will become 0.99 raised to 2 plus 3. Sorry. 2 plus 3. That means it will become 0.99 raised to 5. So I know that A and B. This is a 0.99 raised to 5, 0.99 raised to 6. Which one will be greater? Mostly what we do, if the raised to power is higher, that one will be greater. Means most of the people will simply mark option number B because its की power high. But always remember, if your number is a less than 1, if your number is less than 1, that means that is a point. Simply if it is in a point, then as the power increases, value decreases. As the power increases, value decreases. How? We can check it here. 0.99 raised to 1 will be 0.99. 0.99 raised to 2 will be 0.9801. And 0.99 raised to cube 0.993 will be 0.97 something. We can check for 0.9 easily. What I know that for 0.9 raised to 1 is a 0.9. 0.9 square is a 9 square is a 81. So 0.81. Then 0.9 cube, which is equal to 9 cube is a 729. That means this one will be 0.729. Means as the power increasing, as the power, you can see power 1, 2, 3, power increases, value decreases. So of course, which has the less power will have the bigger value. So in a 5 or 6, which has the less power? A. So of course, A will be greater than B. So I know that A is a bigger. So what are they saying? That number A will be your answer. Number A is a bigger. And that's it. This was again conceptual question. asked in a TISS paper, most important as the exam viewpoint. If the number was a 1.1, then as the power increases, value increases. But number is less than 1, so as the power increases, value decreases. Okay, so I hope you have understood this question, and all the questions of this video all are the important as the exam viewpoint, concept viewpoint. So I hope you have understood, you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends also. Thank you so much for watching it, and again see you in the next part, next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.